So I have the dress laid down on the table, ready to be cut. So where the needle pins are, I'm going to go ahead and cut right down the middle, and then right down the sides here. And when I cut it, we still have this long back panel, and I'll probably just give it a scallop like this, half circle, and finish that off. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cut. So I've gone ahead and cut it down the middle and shortened the length. And here it is over here. And what I did was when I cut the one side and gave that half moon or scallop, that's what's going to give me the upper sleeves. So the one that the front panel here is going to be cut, and so this will be the top of the sleeve. And then I was going to have you guys choose on the fabric, but I want to go ahead and just work on this and not wait for comments, because I really don't have that big of a follower at this time. So I'm just going to go ahead and make this dress. And I've chosen this fabric with the daisies, and I'll get started with the sleeves, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So I hope you come back, keep in touch, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.